How to log in into Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to log in into your Instagram account. So in order to log in into your Instagram account, first thing first, you'll need to make sure to update your application and then open up your Instagram account. So let's say that if you want to log in, so in my case I'm currently logged in. So first of all, let me log out. So tap the profile icon and go to the tab bars, and from here go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Once you've tapped on the settings and privacy button, scroll down, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see log out of this particular account. But if you want to add an account, you can also do that procedure. So tap the add button and select login into existing account. Once you've done that, next page, you can just go ahead and select the particular accounts from here just by tapping on a login. All you have to do is enter in your password. Apart from it, you've not added the account, then you can just go and tap the switch account button, and here you need to type in email address or the phone number or the username associated with the account and the password, and tap the login button. Once you've done that, you've successfully logged in into your Instagram account. So in this way you can log in into your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.